Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolette and I'm a Poshmark seller, and I wanted to talk today about some of the items I've been purchasing for Retail Arbitrage, mostly new with tags items. In my closet, I predominantly sell new with tags, which is a little unique. Most sellers on Poshmark are buying items at Goodwill and secondhand stores and flipping them for profit. But I try to focus more on like the retail arbitrage side of things. I do have pre-owned items in my closet that you'll see, which are pretty much items that used to be mine or friends and family that know that I sell, and they'll donate them to me to sell. First of all, I want to apologize for the lighting. It's kind of strange. I look a little washed out, but it's nighttime, so it gets dark early. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I saw a really good shoe sale back in the end of October, and I pretty much got an average a pair of shoes for $20 that retail between $100 to $200. So that's a pretty good profit margin. For example, my first pair, these are new in box, Dolce Vita. There we go. Super cute. I wish they were my size, or else they wouldn't be in my closet. Leopard print booties. These are calf hair. They are so well made. They have a zipper on the back. They're a size 8. I'm like a 9, so it's not happening. But anyway, I purchased these at Nordstrom Rack for $20, and they retail for, so these retail for $180. They are dyed calf hair, have the 2-inch heel height, and again, I purchased them for $20. So right now they're on my Poshmark closet for $80, which I still think is a really good buy. Hopefully these will sell with a pretty good profit margin. They're perfect for these cooler months, and you can also wear them pretty much year round, I think. The second pair of shoes that I purchased for Retail Arbitrage were also on Nordstrom Rack, and these are a brand I've never heard of, but I love these boots. They're from Alias May or Alias May, I'm not sure. They retail for, it says it on the box, $210. They are the Ahara beige snake skin French cut boutique booties or boots. They're kind of like in between an ankle and a calf height. And these actually fit me, so I'm practicing willpower and hoping that these sell, or else they're mine. These are a size 9. They're a little bit narrow, but they're super comfortable, and I purchased them for $26. They retail for $210, and they're for sale in my Posh closet for $98. So that's still more than 50% off, and I ran comps on these, and these exact or similar boots have sold on Posh in the 115s. So I'm confident in my listing price. And like I said, if not, they're mine. So that's another tip I want to say when you're buying retail arbitrage, is to try to get items in your size unless it's a super good deal like those Dolce Vita booties, because you're running the risk of, if they don't sell, then you're out 20. I try not to spend more than 20 on my retail arbitrage items, and aim to even get lower than that per item. But at the same time, I still want to make sure they fit someone in my family or myself, just in case they don't sell, I'm not out. So shoes do really well in my closet, and I tend to pick up shoes more than any other item, probably for that reason, and just because I really like purchasing shoes, especially for Posh, since the shipping is pretty much paid for. If you were to sell shoes on eBay, they can get pretty heavy and you'd have to pay to ship. So I don't recommend buying shoes to sell on eBay, but for Poshmark, I feel like it's a really good item to purchase, especially since the buyer is still paying for the shipping. At least they feel like they're getting their money's worth for shipping versus buying like a pair of earrings and having to pay for $7 shipping. So this last pair of shoes I'll show you before I get into a couple other items actually were kind of a gift for me, but they're a little small. So these are the Skechers washables. They're like kind of like sneakers, kind of like loungy, you know, running errands. They were just a little bit small for me. They're 8.5s, and they're pretty much sold out online. They got great reviews. They retail for about between 40 and 60. So we'll see how these do. So this next item is a cute little two-piece toddler outfit. It's like a forest green with floral leggings. So these are purchased at TJ Maxx, and it goes for $32. So I'm going to list this little two-piece outfit. So this next item I couldn't pass up. Another one of the items that I'm hoping kind of doesn't sell, but I love it. It's a plaid trench coat from Avec Les Filles, and it's right here. So it's so cute. It's like almost like a Clueless style plaid, and it goes all the way down. It's really long, like calf length, with like a faux belt in the back, and then it has the buttons here. So I got, and it's lined. It's really nice lining too. And this goes for almost $200. I got it for $19, and this is on Nordstrom Rack as well. New with tags. It's a small, but it's kind of roomy, and I just think it's just a high quality classic trench that will never really go out of style. So this one's in my Posh closet as well. And also, since it's like fall and winter, I don't really tend to stock up on a lot of like coats unless it's a really good buy like this trench. So what I like to do in the fall and winter is focus more on accessories like handbags, wallets, and shoes, and to keep my closet going. And then the garments I buy are mostly for like spring and summer and a couple of fall things. So I've been focusing on handbags. This is more like a backpack, like a fashion travel backpack. I love it because of all the pockets, and it's black. So there's like a side zipper going down on each side, and then an all-around zip in the back. It goes all the way around. I mean, I feel like this is perfect for traveling. Like even on like a overnight trip or a weekend getaway. The brand is Amy Kestenberg, and it retails for $140. I purchased it for around $26. So I have a few of these type of backpack styles, like fashion backpacks, in my closet for fall and winter to keep things fresh. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's in my closet right now for Retail Arbitrage for fall and winter. So let me know what kind of items you guys focus on during the season, and please go check out my closet at Urban Dress Up and let me know what you think. All right, so thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.